back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ida Helis. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys along while I do all the stuff I'm going to be doing today. I look like this just because I'm in the process of getting ready to go to the mall. Let's hope there's like not a lot of people. I'm not excited to be making lines or anything like that, so let's hope it's like not packed at all. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Now I'm back. I got ready. I'm on my way to the mall right now. Oh my gosh, today is so hot. Like, I do not like the hot that much. I prefer the winter. Like, it's definitely way too hot right now. I think it's like 91 degrees outside. Do you like the snail color though? I love it. It's like neon orange. So pretty. I'm just gonna keep you guys updated. Bye. Hey everyone, I'm in the car wash right now. We're gonna clean this car up because it's so dirty right now. Up to the next stop. We're going to the mall. So 5 minutes until we get to the mall. I'm making it seem like it's this like very special thing, I know. But it's been 3 months that I don't go to the mall, so it is kind of special. So there's like a little bit of traffic, not too much. But yeah, in 5 minutes we'll be there. I'm in the parking lot of the mall. I'm super excited to go in, so let's hope there's like no lines or anything like that. I'm just gonna be going in and seeing what we could find. I'm like kind of excited honestly to be at the mall. I haven't been at the mall in 3 months, so yeah, I'll see you guys inside. These were the shoes I was gonna buy my husband, but I couldn't get them. So yeah, I got them the Jordan 6 pairs. Here's my husband. Yeah, I'm very excited. Okay, let's see. So let's see what store I'm gonna go first. I really don't know. We have arrived at my favorite store. I'm gonna be showing you guys. So that's my favorite store right there. Okay guys, so I'm at Charlotte Russe right now. Just looking around. I'm not buying anything specific. These are kind of cute though. Like for you can like I'm at work there. Dressing more formal. I like doing that sometimes.
And get busy.
Yeah. So I'm just looking at pajamas, guys. Like I feel like I need a new set of PJs. Compran ya casi como roto por la mitad. Do you think of this? Can I ugly? Will I buy even though I'm the squad? What do you guys think? So I just went to Charlotte because I didn't really like anything there. And there was like a lot of empty racks. I feel like most of the cute stuff was just like at the front of the store.
Now we catch him at the chicken spot. Up a couple chops. Pop that nigga with 100 shots. They didn't.
So now we're at By Guess. It's like honestly probably my top store. It's Guess, BB, and By Guess. So I'm just looking around and seeing. They have a lot of cute stuff here. Oh guys, this is where I bought my outfit. They have it in black now. I have the olive one. So this is where I bought it. Oh, here's the one I have. You better not be on sale right now. I bought it for $50. It's on sale for $40. Do you see where I got mad? Anyways, I was looking for a bag from traveling. I couldn't find it. This is really weird. $68. So there's like a lot of stores like closed right now. And then the stores I really want to go into, they have like a huge line, so I don't really want to do those. Yeah, we're just walking around and seeing if there's like any of the stores we like with no line or anything. So it looks like on the first floor, that's where most of the people are. So we're just walking around the second floor and hoping there's anything that we like up here. Literally sweating right now. So guys, we just came from truck 23. We only bought like 2 items in there. It was like super hot in there. Like with this mask. With this mask, I feel like I'm dying in here. I'm like so sweaty. So sweaty right now. So now I'm walking to Love Culture. They have like a huge sale just because their store is closing. So I feel like that's what's happening with most of the stores. They're like just closing up. So yeah, and there's my husband. And I want to buy one of these things. Like this, the back. So everything's like super cheap on this store right now. So I'm just trying to take advantage and see if there's anything I like here. The only thing is that since there's a sale, there's like a huge mask. It's very hard to find anything. It's like a struggle. Damn, I like that shirt, but I don't have it in a large. Large is everything I get is a large. Very disappointed. Like all the tops I like and dresses, they're like not my size at all. And like I'm really trying to look for something, but I really can't find anything. So it was like kind of disappointing. The Love Culture, I find like honestly like a couple of stuff sometimes, but it was like so messy, and then the things I like they didn't have in my size, so it was just like very disappointing. You guys, it's so sad. I thought I was gonna eat Circle Japan. It's closed. Like, do you know how disappointing that is? It's my favorite mall food to eat. They're closed, and to eat something, there's no sitting in the table, so you may buy it and take it.
So sad.
Yep, super sad. Now doing the line to finish line, we reserved, well, he reserved some shoes, so we're just making the line right now to go in. Okay, so we're in finish line right now. We're just making the line to get the shoes.
About to eat that Popeyes.
I'm gonna get my chicken sandwich and fries. This one's like very strong right now. Yeah, we're just making the line right now to get some food. I'm like starving. He agrees with me. Okay guys, we're leaving the store now. Super awkward.
Fatty.
Yeah. I don't know if it was a successful shopping experience just because there's a lot of stores that are like closed, and then the other ones had like big lines, and we're not about that. So yeah, we got a couple things. So what I got at the mall is Dunkin' coffee. So he got shoes, I got coffee. And let's see what else I got. So we went to track 23. We got a couple stuff there. So I got these pink. I didn't find too much there. Like a lot of the sizes I wanted, they're not there. So I got these pink shorts, and then they have like the zipper on the back. That's how the front looks like. I bought, like honestly, I bought it because the mannequin had it, and she looks so good in it. So my husband, he bought these black shorts right here. It's like a little different. It has like this on the inside. It's not bad. Yeah, that's everything we got at the mall. We went inside a lot of stores, but we couldn't find too much. We usually stay there at the mall for longer, but since a lot of the stores were closed, it wasn't like the same experience. We just like left really fast. And one of the stores I'm like very disappointed that I didn't go to is Sephora. They had like a huge line there. Like I really wanted to go to Sephora, but I mean, maybe next time, or maybe I should make an order online and show you guys what I got in Sephora. Because there's like a lot of my makeup stuff is running out, so I need to make a new order for that. So my husband, he made this reservation for these shoes that were coming out today. So he's just gonna be doing an unboxing of the shoes. What's the name of the shoes, babe?
Top 3.
So these are the top 3 shoes.
Air Jordan 5.
Jordan 5s. Yeah, I knew that. You know, I've been practicing Jordan 1 through 13 just to learn how they're called. I don't care about the Jordan 14s. They're so ugly. Look at him. He's like smelling the shoe. Only him. Probably sneakerheads will know about this. Ew, babe. Don't do that. Coronavirus season. He needs to stop. He's just like smelling the shoe. The shoes are not bad. But he's like a little mad about it because he saw online that the shoes are not selling out. Okay guys, so I'll be ending the vlog here. My experience wasn't the greatest. Like a lot of stores were either shut down, and then the stores I really wanted to go into, they had like big lines. Like for example, Bath and Body Works, that was one of the stores I wanted to go into, but it had like the longest line ever. So me and my husband were not about that, so we were just like probably like buy it online, the things we need. So yeah, it wasn't like the greatest experience, but I did like it. At least we got out of the house. We were able to do something together. Surprisingly, there was actually a lot of people at the mall. I thought it was gonna be kind of empty because of Corona season, but it was like a decent amount of people in there. And yeah guys, don't forget to like and comment down below what you guys thought of this vlog. It's like a little bit different. I usually do like makeup videos and unboxing. I just thought I should do something a little different, so let me know what you guys think down below of these vlogs. And don't forget to subscribe down here, somewhere here, whatever. Click the bell down below to notify you whenever I post anything. Yeah, we out, bitches. Actually no, don't put bitches.